instead of Biddeford, as there is a big old car accident there, I am up in Kennebunkport and Kennebunk. I think this bridge is the split between the two. So, yeah, now I'm on Kennebunk, which is pretty funny. This place, the Clam Shack, is made famous by former First Lady Barbara Bush. This was her favorite. I am not even a tiny bit hungry, but there's a lot of people who come for very many miles to come here. So, definitely worth checking out. Very fun.
We're going to do ice cream tomorrow.
Alright, sounds good. You're right about sunset, so perfect time to try to grab a couple of neat little snaps. Sunset right now, there was also low tide, so kind of gonna get a blend. I don't know if maybe I'll get a different thing on the way back. Every bike, can't help it. Love to see them in motion. Always fun. You know, all things even, I'll take it. That was, I headed up to Biddeford, but there was a big car accident. I hope everybody's safe, but I made sure that I had a backup plan. So I went to Kennebunk and Kennebunkport. So I'll show you those videos when I get back home. I'm gonna put you in a bag till I get home. See you soon.